Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR J-hook ratchet straps. So we do have instructions. Oh, look at that. Cool. So it actually came with 2 bags so we can keep these things in there. And we probably need it because these are some big ratchet straps. So this is good. They did actually put a tag on here that tells you what the strength of this is. So the working load limit is about 1,600 pounds and the minimum brake strength is about 5,000 pounds. And these are pretty wide straps. So very heavy duty hook on here. The thing I really like about it is just the fact that this handle is so big. So it's going to be a lot easier for somebody like me to grab onto that release to open this thing up. I think the main thing is that because the strap is so wide, it's going to really help to spread out the area of what you're applying force to on the equipment that you're carrying. It is very bright, so you are going to be able to see this thing in the middle of the night. So that is good. The material for the handle is like a soft rubbery plastic material. So it's a very nice feeling handle. So this side of the strap is also tagged, so no matter which side of the strap that you're on, you'll be able to see what the working load is. And it even says this is a 15-foot strap, so I don't have to unwind it to find out if it'll work. Again, we got a very nice, heavy-duty looking hook on the end. That is definitely a good 15 feet on there. The end is properly melted, so we're not going to worry about any fraying. So if you've never used a ratchet strap before, all you really have to do, ratchet that up, and you can see when the strap starts making contact with itself, that is going to be when it starts applying pressure. If you ever want to release it, pull the release, open it all the way up, and then you can pull that strap. So the trick that I found for dealing with a round object is we just run a shackle through the strap. And this is my idea. This is just something that I found. And then when we tighten that strap down, it will lock onto that object. And the reason that's important is because if we just lay this strap over the top of it, then it could slide back and forth and potentially come out. There we go. So we are locked in. We don't want to put too much pressure on it because this does have the force available to crush this can. So I'm just going to leave it like that. If you want to, you could tie up this strap. Just kind of roll it up or do whatever you want to do. Since this is in the back of the bed, I'm going to leave it like this. That won't be a problem. But yeah, that is a very nice strap.